And Jesus said,
Edon Yesu wacho,
he was given to the tormentors.
jogamtumike bang joshand kano.
Do you want to be the wicked servant?
Inde be miti bed ni jara tich makite rach no.
I know that many people have troubled you.
Ang'eyo dhano mapol kinyayo
There is not a single person on this planet Earth
Natimoki wingo machiel lembe.
where Satan has not used people to trouble each other.
Asitani utiyu kukingo piketu peki kuopa dhano munge.
Satan troubles you
Sitani sendi
so that with that trouble
wekara ibed kunge ishwin.
you have unforgiveness.
Wekara kupeku ibed bende
And
kuchan.
when you have unforgiveness,
Sa ipeku weko rach.
he can destroy you.
Weramu ni dupi enyoki.
Now is the time.
Dongenu tie kare.
This is the time
Enu tie kare.
to receive
Minuango.
forgiveness from the Father.
Kisa kudi pangu weko.
Say this now.
Watlembe mae.
Heavenly Father,
Mungu manipolo washi.
loudly, loudly. Heavenly Father,
Wegumani polo.
I come to you.
Apili pengi.
I heard your word.
Awinju lembe peri.
All this time,
Ikare eni zo.
I have so many bad memories.
Atie kuparo mareshu.
I have so much of hurtful memories.
Atie kulembe musho tushwinya.
So many people have troubled me.
Dano mapol kisho tushwinya.
And I have so much of bitterness towards so many.
Manatie kuna keche ishwinya.
I hate them.
Adaguke.
I don't want to be the wicked servant.
Amitunga bete tish makote rach.